How much should you actually spend on an outdoor security camera? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Topo 2K Plus Security Camera. Let's kick things off with the Topo 2K Plus Indoor-Outdoor Wired Security Camera. This little gadget caught my attention because it's the 2024 PC Mag Editor's Choice, and it's priced at just $45.65. If you want a high-quality camera that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. That's crucial if you ever need to provide evidence. Plus, with the Starlight sensor, you get color night vision, so you won't just see shadows at night, but actual colors, making it easier to identify objects or people. The camera is also equipped with smart detection for people, pets, and vehicles, which means fewer irrelevant alerts, definitely a big win. Now, some folks have mentioned the installation could be tricky if you're not tech-savvy. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it really shines with its performance and features. So if you're comfortable with a bit of initial effort, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want a reliable camera that offers great features. But if you're looking for a wireless option, skip this one as it needs a wired connection. Considering its price and performance, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the wired connection of the Topo 2K Plus doesn't suit your needs, the next one offers a completely different approach with its wireless setup. Product number 2, Casa 2K Plus Outdoor Camera. Next up is the Casa 2K Plus Outdoor Wired Security Camera, priced at $50.72. This model stood out to me because of its impressive weatherproof rating and the features packed into it. If you want a camera that can withstand the elements while delivering top-notch video quality, this one's worth considering. With its IP65 weatherproof design, you can confidently install this camera outdoors, knowing it can handle rain, dust, and whatever nature throws at it. It boasts a 2K HD resolution that captures every detail clearly. The Starlight sensor ensures that even in low-light conditions, you won't miss a thing. Plus, the built-in siren and two-way audio mean you can communicate with anyone near your home, which adds a layer of convenience and security. However, some users reported that the app can be a bit buggy at times. But honestly, if you're mainly using the camera for security, you'll find the video quality and features more than make up for some minor app issues. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable camera that's easy to set up and use outdoors. But if you prefer a more user-friendly app experience, you might want to explore other options. For the price, it's hard to argue against its quality and functionality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for battery flexibility. Product number 3, Google Nest Cam Battery. Now let's talk about the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor Battery 2nd generation, priced at $172.94. I was drawn to this one because it's backed by Google's technology and it offers some really smart features. If you want a camera with intelligence built in, this is definitely worth a look. The Nest Cam can differentiate between people, animals, and vehicles, sending alerts through the Google Home app, which is a big plus for reducing unnecessary notifications. With 1080p HDR video and night vision, you can check in from anywhere, anytime. Plus, it stores recorded events even if your Wi-Fi goes down, so you won't miss a thing. However, it does require a subscription for extended video history, which might be a turnoff for some. But I'll be real with you, the features it offers can justify that cost if you're serious about security. This is perfect for tech-savvy users who appreciate smart home integration. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without ongoing costs, skip this one. Given the level of sophistication, it's a solid investment for peace of mind. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile, wait until you hear about the next contender. Product number 4, Topo Magcam 2K Plus. Coming in next is the Topo Magcam 2K Plus, priced at $114.14. This model caught my eye because it's recognized as the 2026 Wirecutter Best Outdoor Security Camera. If you want something that's easy to install and maintain, this camera might be the right fit for you. What's unique here is its wire-free function. With a magnetic mount and a battery that lasts up to 300 days, You can place it virtually anywhere without worrying about outlets. The 2K QHD resolution ensures you're getting detailed imagery, and the full-color night vision means you won't settle for grainy footage at night. One downside is that some users reported the battery life could diminish with heavy usage. But honestly, for most regular users, the battery life is impressive, especially if you consider the option for solar charging. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility in placement and easy installation. But if you're looking for a camera that's always plugged in, this might not be your best bet. For the features and ease of use, it's a great value. Now, if you want something even more innovative, the final product I'm about to share truly stands out in its design. Product number 5, ORAXIUM Triple Lens Camera. Finally, we have the ORAXIUM Triple Lens Outdoor Wireless Security Camera, retailing at $72.28. This one intrigued me because it features 3 lenses, allowing for a broad perspective. If you want comprehensive coverage for your property, this is worth considering. This means you can monitor multiple areas and focus on key spots. The built-in siren and flashing light increase security by deterring intruders, which is a fantastic feature. However, some users have mentioned that the app functionality isn't as solid as they'd like. Here's the thing though, while the app could improve, the camera's unique features and price point make it a compelling choice for those who prioritize coverage. This is perfect for you if you need extensive monitoring for your home or property. But if you're not comfortable with some tech glitches, you might want to look elsewhere. Considering its unique features at this price, it's a solid investment for security. So there you have it. The Topo 2K Plus, Casa 2K Plus, Google Nest Cam, Topo Mag Cam, and the ORAXIUM Triple Lens Camera. Each of these options has its strengths, whether it's affordability, advanced features, or battery flexibility. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Remember, investing in a good security camera is investing in peace of mind, so choose wisely.